Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Hotel conversation in English, room reservation dialogues. Today, we will share dialogue between guest and receptionist. By carefully observing the telephone conversation between hotel receptionist and customer, you should get some idea about how room reservation is done at front desk of the hotel. First situation. Successful hotel room reservation conversation in English. This is an example of real-life scenario between front office and guest. Back. Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Then log into your Gmail account and click again on the subscribe button. Then you should see this message. Either click on OK or make my subscriptions private. In this way you can successfully subscribe to this channel. After that, whenever we would upload new training videos, you will receive emails in your Gmail account. Very easy, right? So, please go ahead, pause the video and take action now. Ground. The receptionist of Hotel XYZ is talking over telephone to a guest regarding a possible room reservation. The guest wants to reserve room for her husband. Carefully look at their dialogues. Receptionist, good evening. Hotel XYZ reception. How can I help you? Guest, okay. I would like to book a room for next week. Receptionist, sure, madame. May I know the date for the reservation? Guest, I would like to reserve a room from the 5th of April for 5 days. Receptionist, what type of room do you like to reserve, ma'am? Guest, well, a double-bedded room with AC. Receptionist, just give me a minute, madam, let me check. Yes, a few double-bedded rooms are still vacant on 5th April. Do you prefer a room with the view of the swimming pool or the hill, madam? Guest, oh, both are nice. But I guess Hillview will be splendid. Right? Receptionist, sure, madam. Your room tariff will be $90 per night including taxes with a complimentary breakfast. Is it okay? Guest, yes. Receptionist, may I have your name please? Guest, yes. I am Stephanie Rose. Receptionist, how do you spell your name, Miss Stephanie? Guest, it's Stephany, and then Rose. Receptionist, all right, Miss Stephanie. Let me have your address, please. Guest, 257, Park Avenue South, New York, 10010, USA. Receptionist, may I have your contact number, madam? Guest, yes, 917-4944476. Receptionist, I repeat 917-4944476. Am I right? Guest, absolutely. Receptionist, so, a double room is booked for you, Ms. Stephanie Rose, from 5th April for 5 days with a hill view. Guest, yes, that's right. May I ask you for a special favor? Receptionist, sure, madame. What can we do for you? Guest, actually, 5th April is my husband's birthday. Could you arrange a nice flower bouquet for him in the room, as a pleasant surprise? Receptionist, certainly, ma'am. It will be our pleasure to provide you with the complimentary flower bouquet for the occasion. Don't worry. Be assured that we will also decorate the room in best possible way. I hope sir will be surprised and happy. Guest, that is so nice of you. Thanks. Receptionist, you are most welcome, madame. We look forward to receive you on 4th April. Guest, yes. Goodbye. Receptionist, goodbye, Mrs. Stephanie. Have a pleasant day. Second situation. Unsuccessful hotel room reservation conversation in English. Background. The reservation official of Hotel ABC is talking over telephone to a guest who wants to book a room. But unfortunately the hotel is fully occupied, and no room is available. Carefully look at their dialogues. Reservation officer, good morning. Hotel ABC, reception. May I help you? Guest, good morning. I am Taylor Isabel. I urgently need a single room for 1st January. Reservation officer, I can understand your urgency, madam, but I am very sorry. We don't have any single room vacant at that moment. In fact, all single rooms are occupied for next 5 days. But yes, we can provide you our suite rooms. Will that be okay? Guest, no sorry. Suite rooms will be too expensive for me. Can you do me a favor then? Reservation officer, sure madam. Please tell me, how can we help you? Guest, can you give me name and phone number of a mid-range hotel where I may get single room on that day? Reservation officer, sure madam. Hold on for few seconds. Please note the number. It is Hotel PQR. It is a mid-range hotel. Their number is 123456789. I can't guarantee you, but I hope you will get a single room there. Guest, that is so kind of you. Thank you very much. Reservation officer, it's my pleasure madam. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. That's all for this episode, but please don't go anywhere. You can read 200+ hotel or restaurant management training tutorials and watch some exciting training videos. Have a look. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.